In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change finisher in WWE 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to customize your finisher for any superstar in WWE 2K24. All that you have to do is go over to the Creations option. So from the home screen, select Creations, and in here, you will be able to access Moveset. This will allow you to change not only the finisher, but all other parts of a specific superstar's moveset. So choose the moveset option under creations, and when you go over to moveset, you will have to select the specific superstar that you would like to manage the moveset for. So browse through all of the superstars and then select the one that you would like to change the finisher or any other options for. Immediately upon selecting that superstar, you will see all of the things that can be changed. From here, you will be able to find finisher under moves. So moves is going to be the first option by default. So choose moves, and then you will see everything, and finisher will be among the options. You will also be able to change this standing moves, ground moves, counter moves, and so on. You get the idea. So find finisher among the list, and when you go into finisher, you will be able to customize all of the finishers that a specific superstar has. So you will be able to see them here. Some should be selected by default and you can customize them. This will work for any superstar. So you will see all of the finishers listed. The moves can be performed by these buttons here, and you will be able to assign them. Whenever you choose a specific move set or finisher that has been already selected, you will be able to add another one, and you can see the one that it is going to be replacing. So just make sure that you want to replace. You can go into practice play if you wish. The characters will perform them here, and you will be able to change them as many times as you wish. There is an extensive list of finishers to choose from, so just browse through all of the options and remember to save the changes. I hope I was able to help you on how to change finisher in WWE 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.